So hello guys, this Ben VFX right here again. You all know how we do it. Today's video I just want us to do a top-down analysis and a technical analysis on GBP/JPY. On our screen here, this is GBP/JPY, and you all know how we do it. You get, we'll make sure, like the way I'm going to analyze the chart, I'll make it very simple and easy for anybody to understand, like the simple way to do your technical analysis, how you use your bigger time frame, from bigger time frame down to lower time frame to analyze your chart. Then to make it easy for you, the area you're supposed to be looking out for when you are analyzing your chart. Then maybe after the video, just stick around, like watch the video from the beginning to the end, then you understand everything. Then from the video, I promise you get something from the video, promise, because the way I'm going to analyze this video, I will make it very simple for everybody to understand. Then without wasting much of your time, let me just dive into the video and do a top-down analysis, mark out an area that was supposed to be expecting a buy or a sell from. Then that will just be all. So on my screen here, this is monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame I want to mark out one important area, that is one important support level. This is the support level right here, and this is monthly time frame. This is a support level here. And why the market is pushing up, why are we seeing this rejection from this area to the upside, is because of this support level. And you know, this monthly time frame, and monthly time frame is a big time frame that anytime markets approach a resistance or a support level, there must be a respect to that zone. You understand? This is a bigger time frame, so anytime market approach a support or a resistance on a bigger time frame, that's why we'll do our top-down analysis to see area where a market is trying to react from. You understand? The bigger the time frame, the bigger, like the higher possibility of market reacting from that area. You understand? So if you are analyzing your chart, if you are doing your top-down analysis from the monthly time frame, a zone in the monthly time frame is stronger than a zone in the weekly time frame. A zone in the weekly time frame is stronger than a zone in the daily time frame. That's what you need to know. So now this is support level from monthly time frame, and you can see the rejection from this support level is very sharp to the upside. And moreover, the market is an uptrend. If you plot your trend line like this, if you plot your trend line, the market is like this, not trend line, no, like I'd not plot it very well, but for you to know that the market is an uptrend, you yourself can see it. You understand? But you yourself can see it. So let me switch to weekly time frame. On our screen here, this is weekly time frame, and what exactly are you seeing from the weekly time frame is also an uptrend. And you see where we mark from the monthly time frame, this is a support level that the market is rejecting from. This is a very strong support level, because even this support level is from the monthly time frame. You understand? And I tell you, anytime, like the higher the time frame, the stronger the zone. You get, if the resistance level, if a market is reacting from a resistance level and it's from a higher time frame, that means it's very strong, and the possibility of the market reversing back from that resistance level is very high. But like the higher the time frame, the higher the time frame, the stronger the zone is. Let me just put it that way. Then this weekly time frame, what are we seeing from the weekly time frame? This is a support level that we mark from the monthly time frame. Then we are seeing a rejection from this support level, this sharp rejection. And if you see something like this, this is a morning star, and anytime you see a morning star, is a sign that the market is trying to reverse to the upside. And if you look very closely, this is more like a W pattern. And don't forget, this this is a weekly time frame, and anytime you see a W pattern is also a sign that the market is trying to move to the upside. And moreover, just as I said, the market is an uptrend for a very long time now. So this thing that you are seeing is just a retrace to the downside, then the continuation, then the uptrend continue. So that is just all that you need to know on GBP JPY. So this weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame, you can see a W pattern, and the W pattern means the market is going up. I will explain it the way everybody understand. The market is going up. So now we'll switch to our daily time frame, where we'll mark our support and resistance. You get, we'll switch to daily time frame where we'll mark our support and resistance. So now this daily time frame on our screen. Then on the daily time frame, we'll look very closely, then we'll mark our support and resistance. Like this place I'm about to mark now is for you to be very, very sure. Like if you're analyzing your chart anytime, any day, and you see that type of zone area, if you see that type of area, is like, so that something will come to your mind that if market approach this type of area, this what is going to happen, this is going to go to happen, this is how the market is going to react. So let me mark this area. There is a resistance level around this area. If the market reach that area, there must be a reaction. There must be a reaction. This is one resistance level. This one resistance level. Then there is another resistance level around this area. This is another resistance level. Then there is another resistance level here. This is another resistance level. All this level here, all these levels are playing an important role in this chart. So then we'll have the last one, which is the all-time high, which is here, which is this one. So these are these resistance level that we'll have. Then down here is the support level, just the one we mark from the monthly time frame. So now, as you can see, this is a pure W pattern. This is a pure W pattern. The market move from up, down like this, down to this support level, move from support level to this area, then move from this area down here, create another low, then from that side, from low here, we are heading to the upside. Let me mark it out. We are heading to the upside. Then where exactly are we going to see a retracement from? It will be this area, this resistance level. No matter how, if the market reach this resistance level, this area that we mark out here on this daily time frame, there must be a retracement. Then if there is a retracement from this area, where exactly are we going to see the market stop? That is one question that we need to ask. Where exactly, if the market should retrace from this area down to the downside before we see another move to the upside, where exactly are we expecting the market to react from? You mark your, you know, this is a resistance level. This area is a resistance level. As this area is a resistance level, what exactly are we expecting from this resistance level? As the market is on this resistance level on the daily time frame, if you switch down to lower to 4-hour time frame, you see more support and resistance. But let's just use this daily time frame to analyze it there before we switch down to all this 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Then once you are going down to your lower time frame, if you mark your support and resistance level on from the higher time frame, then you switch to your lower time frame. Then anytime the market is approaching where you mark your support and resistance, you know what to do. You get, if it's a support level, you know that you are looking for a buy from this area, you switch down to maybe that guy 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and wait for your pattern to form. And a pattern that normally form from a support level from before me I take a buy is a W pattern, because anytime you see a W pattern, it just shows that the market is heading up, the market is going up. And not just a W pattern, you will see a W pattern from 5 minute time frame one, I'll switch to 15 minute time frame, then see bullish engulfing candle that close above the last bearish candle. I always say this thing in my video. If you watch any of my video, you must hear. And even the short video I used to post, like the trade I used to post and screen record and post, sometimes I show all my strategy there. I show what exactly I see before I take any trade. And if I see that my confirmation like that, it will be very hard for that trade to go wrong. It will be very hard for that trade to go wrong. No strategy is 100%, so but it will be very, very hard. So let's continue. So if you see down to 4 hour time frame, you see more support and resistance level, but we are using daily time frame to analyze this chart now. Before we clear all these things, then switch to 4 hour time frame. If we switch to 4 hour time frame, we'll still mark another area, because higher time frame is mainly for people that do a swing trade, you get. Then lower time frame is for those that scalp and the rest, you get, so do the trading and the rest. So this is a W pattern forming, and the market is on the resistance level. From this resistance level, we'll see a pushback. Let me see. Let me clear this thing, then show you guys what we'll be expecting from this area. What we'll be expecting. Sorry. You don't want to delete it. So the market is on the resistance level. So if you switch down to 4 hour time frame, so now let's switch down to 4 hour time frame. Let me show you guys what I'm saying here. So if you switch to 4 hour time frame now, from daily time frame, you can see from daily time frame, you know that the market is on the resistance level. As it formed this W pattern from the daily time frame, yes, now like this, you know the market is on the resistance level on 4 hour time frame. So from the 4 hour time frame, as the market is on the resistance level, this minor resistance level, because see there is a touch here and there is a touch here, then there is the touch here. We'll see a pushback, you get. We'll see a pushback, because this, let me clean this so that we'll all see it very well, the pattern this market is forming here. Let me clear this to show you guys the pattern the market is forming from this daily time frame resistance level. So if you look closely, what pattern is this? What pattern exactly is this? 1, 2, this 3, then we'll see this bearish candle. As you see this bearish candle here, what pattern is this? This market is trying to form. This is an M pattern, and anytime you see an M pattern from a resistance level, that means the market is about to retrace down. Then if this market should retrace, where exactly are you going to expect the market to stop or to react? Then you mark out your support level on this 4 hour time frame. You mark out your support level. There is one support level here. There is another support level here. There's another support level here, and there is another support level here. is another support level here. So as the market is forming an M pattern from a resistance level, which area, what will come to your mind is that which area are we expecting the market to reach before we see another push to the upside? So as the market is forming an M pattern, where you expect the market to reach is the market will come down to this support level before we see another push to the upside, or if we see a break if we see a break from this support level, if we see a break from this support level, then we'll target another this down support level. Means the market have changed its direction on the lower time frame, not the higher time frame, because from monthly time frame, weekly time frame and daily time frame, the market is an uptrend, and you know the bigger time frame control the smaller time frame. What you do, you follow, like you trade along with the bigger time frame. So but in a short term, for those that scalp and the rest, not swing traders, so for those that scalp, you switch to your smaller time frame and be catching all these small move from a support and resistance level. You get. So if the market break below this support level, the next target will be this support level. Then if the market should change its direction from the smaller time frame, it will reverse back, retest this, because immediately if this support level is break, it will turn to resistance level. You get. It will retest, then move from there. It will retest, move from there, then we'll expect another move to this support level. You get. It will be moving until we'll see a W pattern. We'll see a W pattern. Until we see a W pattern, until we see a W pattern, let me mark it out. Nope. Okay. Until we see a W pattern from a support level. Until you see a W pattern from a support level before we'll see another push to the upside. As the market is forming an M pattern here from this resistance level, we'll see the market push down to this support level before we see a move to the upside. Or if the market break this support level, then we are expecting the market to come to this support level, then push up to the resistance level, turn like to automatically turn this resistance level, support level, previous support level to a resistance level, then push back down. Then what exactly will happen before you know that this market will turn its direction to the upside, just as we see from the bigger time frame, is until we see something like this, see a W pattern, before we now confirm that yes, this market is going up. If not until we see a W pattern, the market will still be going down if care is not taken. You get. So this is just the simple way to do your technical analysis. You get. It's just a simple way to do your technical analysis. You mark out your support and resistance level, then you'll be expecting, then you watch closely to be seeing what the market will be doing. The reaction of the market from that support and resistance level will determine the kind of action you will take. So that is just all. This is just a simple way of doing top-down analysis and the simple way of doing your technical analysis. This is just pure easy way of doing technical analysis. You go to your higher time frame, know the direction of the market, then switch down to your lower time frame, like that kind of daily time frame. Mark out your support and resistance level. Once you mark out your support and resistance level on the daily time frame, you switch to 4-hour time frame. Then from the 4-hour time frame, you still see where the market will react from and the rest. Then once you see where the market will react from, you still mark them out again, like all the support and resistance level. You know, inside the support and resistance level there is a support and resistance level. Even 1 minute time frame have its own support and resistance level, and all of them respect themselves. So from the 4-hour time frame, you do your support and resistance level, mark it out, so that anytime the market approach that support, you know what to do. Anytime the market approach the resistance level, you know what to do. That is just all. Very simple. Very simple. Just that only thing that kill us in this market, only thing that kill traders in the market is patience. And patience and psychology. Like maybe you get your analysis where everything well, but once you enter the trade, fear and everything will not allow you to hold a trade. Maybe a trade is going against you, small, you be afraid of losing and maybe close it very early, or that just all. I'll do video about that one next time, about how you approach your, like how you manage your psychological, how you manage your psychology and the rest. So that will be next time. That will be next time. All this video will all about how to do your technical analysis. Then from 30-minute time frame, let's see what 1 hour time frame is saying first before we go to 30-minute time frame. Because I tell you guys, inside the support and the resistance level, there is still support and resistance level. You get, as monthly time frame have its own support and resistance level, weekly time frame have its own, daily time frame have its own, 4-hour time frame have its own, then 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, even 1 minute have its own support and resistance level. So on the 1 hour time frame, what are you seeing? The market is still an uptrend, but what exactly are we seeing from the 4-hour time frame? What we see on the 4-hour time frame will not neglect what we see on that 4-hour time frame, because 4-hour time frame mostly control 1 hour time frame, and daily time frame control 4-hour time frame. So what exactly are we seeing? We are seeing a double top here, forming an M pattern. So this market, you will not say is going up then you take a buy. No, you allow the market to retrace back up, then you take your sell, because we are seeing an M pattern, and the M pattern means the market is going down. And what exactly are you going to do once you see something like that? From the 4-hour time frame, from where we mark our support and resistance level, you just be targeting those areas. So from like you mark your support and resistance level from the higher time frame, then you switch down to your lower time frame and be expecting what the market and be seeing what the market is doing. Then you trade it according to what you see from the higher time frame. That's just how it works. You trade according to what you see from the higher time frame. So this is just how I do my simple technical analysis. First of all, you do your top-down analysis, know the direction of the market, then switch down to the lower time frame and be expecting and be waiting for your strategy to play out before you take a buy or a sell. So that will be all for today. I will not let this video to be long. I just want to make it very simple and easy for everybody to understand. And make sure you do it to check up on this channel. I drop a simple technical analysis on every pair, every currency pair. You get, I drop, like I do video about technical analysis and an area to be looking out for when you are doing your technical analysis, how the market will react from, and what will happen before the market will reverse back or do anything. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to see the video. Then like the video, please, very important, like the video and share it to anybody you know the video will be helpful for. So thank you guys and bye for now. And don't forget, I love you all. Like, I love you all, my subscriber, all my viewer. Thank you for supporting me, and please keep supporting the boy. and just put it in mind that the boy loves you. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.